What's up, guys? Let's try a little Hearthstone. We haven't played Hearthstone in probably 2 years. I've been playing a lot of Magic the Gathering Arena. Check out my other videos on that if you're interested in seeing that. It's a lot of fun. But I used to play this quite a bit and fired it back up. Had like 40 or 50 free packs. Opened all them up. I went ahead and played a few practice games. I set up a paladin and a hunter, and we're gonna see how Hearthstone is doing in December of 23. These little crystals are called, I forget. I'm used to playing Magic the Gathering. So I went ahead and did a lot of taunt. Mostly epic, rare, and legendary. As you can see from all these cards, this one's pretty cool. It raises my deck hand up to 40 and my starting health to 35. Don't know if that's good or bad. We'll see. But a lot of these dudes all have taunt. We threw in some dragons, but as you can see, it's pretty top heavy. So it's really not going to start popping off until we hit about 4. And we got a whole bunch of 4s. Good amount of 5s. And a couple 10s. So let's jump in here and see if we can win a game with this. Right, we are playing against a hunter.
I will fight with
honor. And as you can see, we're not going to be able to do much of anything until 3 hands in. Go ahead and confirm that.
Ah, I see you've brought guests.
And we drew an 8. So we're just going to be sitting back here. Hopefully he doesn't draw a whole lot of stuff that can start damaging us. We're kind of a 5-point buffer right off the bat. 3. Damn. Okay, there we go. Battlecry. Give a friendly minion plus 2 health. Gonna wait on that.
Reporting for duty.
Oh, cool. Alright. So we have some Silverhand recruits. Now, there was a card in here that gave these guys bonuses. I did not put it in my hand, unfortunately. Ooh.
Reporting for duty.
Give him...
Hey! I got you, friend.
Give him 2 health, so now we got a 1-3.
Don't mess with Tusk.
Taunt, Divine Shield. At the end of your turn, if this didn't attack, draw 2 cards. It's not a bad gig. Taunt, Death Rattle, draw a card. Taunt, Divine Shield.
The Queen's trove is forbidden!
The light dims, but we fight.
I think what we'll do, we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Minimize a little bit of damage here. That's painful. Okay, for each paladin card in your hand. So that's a 5. You're holding a dragon, gain 1/1. Are we holding a dragon? We are holding a dragon. I want to see what this does.
Then I said, why don't you try it?
Sweet. Did the taunts kill each other off? That is the question.
Where's my drink?
We need to make him attack us. Give a friendly minion 2 health. Create a 1/1 silver hand recruit or the 2 health.
Hey, I got you, friend.
I like this one here.
That's not a valid target.
Aha!
Don't mess with Tusk.
That hunter class is tough. I really like my hunter, that's for sure. If you're holding a dragon, discover a copy of this card in your deck. We have 7. We do summon a 1 with taunt. Interesting. That's a fun card. So he's got to attack that. What do we do? Do we end the turn, or do we just throw that out there?
It's going to be okay.
Go ahead and do that. That down to 1. So we have a good taunt out there. Hound is going to destroy it. We have 8 now. If you're holding a dragon, discover. Let's multi-shot or core hound. Grab a core hound from him. Thank you, sir. Dragon. Let's go ahead and wipe that out.
I must move quickly.
Go ahead and do that.
It's going to be okay.
That. And turn. Alright, now we're causing a little bit of damage. That's what we like to see. Seven, so we have a core hound out here now. Curious to see what that would do too.
I wonder.
Deal 8 damage to a random enemy.
You will not come
taunt.
closer.
And end of your turn, if this didn't attack, sure, why not?
It's going to be okay.
Go ahead and get rid of that. We don't like that.
Move aside.
Battle cry, destroy an enemy with taunt.
None shall pass.
Battle cry, restore 8 health. Remember this attacks. Let's get some health back.
Here just in time.
restore 8 health. So we are back up to 29.
Move aside.
He's out of cards.
Handle it.
Whenever that attacks, 7. So that is a rush.
Arian is slain.
That's
not a valid target.
Select a minion. Whenever this attacks, give 1/1 to all minions in your hand.
Our rallying
That's not a valid target. That's not a valid target.
Select an enemy.
Just made it.
There we go. We started slow. Slow learner on that one. So Paladin's pretty legit. Opening hand. Oh.
I will fight with honor.
Alright. So we know this is a very top-heavy deck. So for at least 3 turns, we're not going to get any help here.
Ah, I see you've brought guests.
So that 5 extra health will help us hopefully offset these first 3 hands. And then like my last game, we can build up. Well, we can use that. We'll get a silver hand recruit out there. Again, this isn't like Magic the Gathering, though, where you need blockers, because when they attack, they're going for you directly. You can't assign blockers unless that card automatically has the taunt. Then they have to attack your cards. So that's one of the main differences between this and Magic the Gathering. Can't do much. Again.
Reporting for duty.
We'll summon another one of those out.
To battle! To battle!
Job done.
So the next hand we'll have 3, but then we'll discover a dragon. Alright, so there was our offset. We are able to now taunt, divine shield, damage dealt also heals your hero. That's kind of a cool card. But we're gonna discover a dragon.
Good explorer comes prepared.
Battle Cry, gain a random bonus effect. Tradable. I'll destroy an enemy minion. Ew. Already have a pretty high mana curve
To
as
battle!
it is.
To battle!
Job done.
I think once we get rolling here, should be able to knock him out pretty quick.
My shield for Argus!
What would our best... Gain 1 health for each card in your hand. Good. Taunt.
I wonder.
That's a taunt. We need some taunting action down here. That didn't help. Well, let's go ahead and
Let's
bust
get 'em.
that out. Gonna hit us. It's only gonna give us 2 though.
To battle! To battle!
Job done.
Knock that one down a little bit.
Hello, hello, hello.
Those 2 got rid of each other. Now he's gonna whack me with 3. Draw your highest cost minion. Kinda want... That's a 5. 4 and a 1. Maybe we'll save
This is
that.
not what we stood for. Job done.
Save that for next round.
Trust
He kills that off. Loading him up. So that's a 6. Haunt, Battle Cry, Quick Draws. I'm gonna copy that. Sea Giant. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's gonna have to do some damage. Throw a Sea Giant out there.
Job's done.
This next hand I'm gonna do. Yeah, I like the taunts. Well, he's loading them up here. Might take me out. Shit. Yeah, well played.
Well played.
I don't have any removal for that. Any 7s? No, he doesn't. It's 9 health.
The light dims, but we fight.
A minion with taunt is in the way.
Ah.
Reporting for
Job's
duty.
done.
Yeah. He's got me.
Well played.
Go ahead and concede it. I
Victory
can't.
is yours.
Gonna hit there. Alright. Let's try again.
I will fight.
Air Paladin's going at
I
it.
will command the light.
Again, we're looking at 3 rounds in. Battle Cry for holding a dragon. Your turn.
Ah, I see you've brought guests.
Okie dokie.
Job's done.
Holding a dragon, there we go.
Well met.
Tron. That is fucking annoying. Oh.
Reporting for
Job's
duty.
done.
So at least next hand we're gonna get a taunt card
Glory!
out.
I'm here for the gold!
It's not too bad.
The Queen's trove is forbidden!
To battle!
Got no choice. We
Job's done.
gotta bang on that one a little bit. Consecration is a cool spell. I played a paladin in World of Warcraft back in the day. That was one of my favorite spells. So if we got a rush, it isn't gonna do me much good though. I still gotta get rid of that thing. When you draw this.
Job's done.
Next turn, got another rush, got a battle cry,
Tazdingo! Yes!
and shield. Shield bastards. Okay, looky here. What do we got? Magnetic. Play this to the left of that. Shield rush. Battle cry, restore 8 health.
I wonder.
How to get rid of that?
Job's done.
He's got to hit the taunt card first. Next hand we'll have 6.
Hey, I got you, friend. Hey, I got you, friend.
Choices. End of your turn if this didn't attack. There's an 8. To restore 8 health. Draw your highest cost
Let me
minion.
think.
This is not what we stood for. Job's done.
So we have a round or 2 of taunt cards out there.
Trust the pirate's code.
That evens things up a little bit. Battle cry, give a friendly minion 2 health. Tempting 7. Remember this attacks. 1/1 to all minions in your hand. It's an 8. I don't want to play that big boy.
Unity, precision,
Some more shield out there. Give a friendly minion +2 health. Who needs the health? That would bring that up to a 4.
Hey, I got you, friend.
Either way, that would be 3. So I'm gonna force him to do that.
Rotten to the core!
Primitive.
That's not a valid target.
Select the minion.
That's not a valid target. That's not a valid target.
Primitive.
33 to 13. And hold it together. He's got 2 cards left. Consecration again.
Well played.
That's a taunt. We go with a taunt. Or have another 4, really.
Let me
You will not come closer.
So we're gonna draw 2 cards there. The Black Knight, destroy an enemy with taunt, change the health of all minions to 1. Be kind of an emergency backup card if I get smoked.
Reporting for duty.
What's that? Taunt. That's a 5/5. What's got?
Put your faith in the light.
Let's get that health down. Let's make him wear out some shit here. He's kind of screwed.
Get in there and fight, maggot.
+2 attack.
Reporting for duty.
He screwed up. I would have hit it with a 1 first.
Don't test me.
There we go. End it.
Well played.
Okay. Wasn't the prettiest in the world. It is definitely a slow burning deck, that is for sure. If you guys want to see some more of these, I'm trying to keep these videos short. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Check out my Magic the Gathering Arena videos that I did too as well. If you've never seen that. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Till next time, thanks for stopping by. OOORAHHH.